All right, everyone, the recording has begun. This is day number 2, week 3 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. So we're gonna head up. Today is the 18th. The 18th of July. So Tuesday, the 18th of July, 2023. Subject is mathematics. And we'll be looking at, the first thing we'll be looking at is adding fractions with unlike denominators. Adding mixed numbers, sorry, with unlike denominators. All right, so we're going to be looking at adding mixed numbers with unlike denominators. So let's look at the first example. So example number 1. All right, good. So let's say, for example, we have so let's say that this is our first example, which is 4, wait, y'all can't see that. 4 and 1/5. So it's 4 and 1/5 plus 7 and 3/4. All right. So this is what we must do. We must add these two mixed numbers. All right, so how are we gonna do this? We have 4 and 1 over 5 and 7 and 3 over 4. So what's the first thing that we must do, Javon? Javon, what is the first thing that we must do?
The first thing that we must do is say 7. We're trying to get the whole number. So what we do to get the whole number is we say 7 plus 4 equals 11.
Very good. So we first add the whole numbers. Diana, what is 4 plus 7?
4 plus 7 is 11.
11. Very good. That's the first thing that we must do. We must add the whole numbers. 4 plus 7 equals 11. What's the next thing that we're gonna do?
We are going to add the numerator.
We're gonna add the fractions. Now, question. These like, are the denominators the same?
No, sir.
We
No.
have to change.
Very good. So we have 1 over 5, right? Plus, maybe I should put it like this. So we have, because I don't have enough space. So we have 1 over 5 plus what? Plus 3 over 4. So in order to add these, what must we first do?
We must LCM
Very
5
good.
and 4.
Common multiple.
Very good. We must find the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple, the LCM of what? 5 and 4.
Is 20.
Very good. So the LCM of 5 and 4. Let's look at it. 5. What's the multiples of 5?
5, 10,
5, 10,
15,
5,
20.
10.
15.
And then we can stop at 20.
Very good. 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. Very good. Tedranic. That's Tedranic.
Yes, sir.
What are the multiples of 4?
4,
Uh-huh.
8,
4,
12,
12,
16, and 20.
16, and 20. Very good. So what's the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5? Tedranic, what's the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
It's 20.
It's 20. Very good. It's going to be equal to, so we say the lowest common multiple, the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Diana, are you writing this down? Or are you playing with your laptop? Hello, Diana.
Yes, sir.
Are you writing this down or are you playing with your laptop?
I was playing with my laptop.
So write this down, please. before I erase it. So we have 1/5 plus 3/4. Remember, what are we trying to do? We're trying to make the denominators the same. So we have to ask ourselves, what times 5 gives us 20? Javon, what times 5 gives us 20? 4. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So 1 times 4 is going to be that. And then we ask ourselves, what times 4 gives us 20?
5.
Say it again.
5.
5, very good. Whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top as well. It's going to be equal to 1 times 4 is what? 4, very good. And 5 times 4 is what?
20.
20, very good. Plus 3 times 5 is what?
15.
15. And 4 times 5 is
20.
20. Now, Tetranic, what are we going to do?
Now we're gonna add them all together.
Okay, so tell me, what do we do?
15 plus 4 is 19.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
9, and we don't change the denominator, so 20 plus 20 equals 20.
So yes, we don't change the denominator. So it's gonna be 20. So the fractions, when we add the fractions together, we get what? 19 over 19 over what? 19 over 20. Now, what is our final answer?
Excuse me.
Yes? Tetranic?
I'm gonna change my my tablet into my computer.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Excuse me, I know.
Yes, Ted, Kendeja, what's the answer?
The answer is our whole number is 11 and our answer is 19 over 20.
Very good. The answer is 11 and 19 over 20. So the answer is 11 and 19 over 20. All right, Deanna, can you explain how we got our answer, please?
So how we got our answer is, first, we saw that the denominators wasn't alike. But first we had to add the two whole numbers, 4 plus 7, that equals 11. So we leave the 11 there until we add the fractions. But we can't add the fractions because the denominator isn't the same. So we have to write the lowest common factor of 5 and 4 and say, and we have to write all the factors of 5 and 4 and
Not factors, multiples.
multiples of 5 and 4, which is 20. So 20 is the LCM of the lowest common factor of 5 and 4.
Lowest common multiple.
Lowest common multiple of 5 and 4. So then we say, what times 5 could give us 20? 5 times 4, and we have to do the same thing. We have to write the same number we times the 5 with the 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So we put the 20 as the denominator, and we say 4 times 1 and equals 4. So we put the 4 as the numerator, and then we say what times 4 can give us 20, which is 5. So we say 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So we put the 20 as the denominator, and you make sure they have the same denominator, or we still can't add. So they are both the same denominator. So we write the next numerator, and we say 5 times 3 equals 15. And we add 4 plus 15. 4 plus 15 is 19. And we put the 19 on the numerator on the top as the numerator. And we can add at the denominator, which is 20. So we put it back, and we grab our whole number where we added earlier and put it in front. So the answer is 11 whole numbers and 19 20 over 20.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. Very good explanation, Diana. DeAndre, how can you explain how we got 11 and 19 over 20, please? DeAndre? DeAndre, are you there? DeAndre, are you there? I can't hear from DeAndre. Gabe, are you there? Hello, Gabe, are you there?
Hello, Gabe, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, did you understand how we got 11 and 19 over 20?
Excuse me, I just come on and I couldn't see nothing.
Okay, can you see the screen now?
Okay, can you see the screen now?
No, sir, I still can't see it.
Wow, your internet is not good.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Yes. Go ahead, Tetuni.
I wrote the notes in the wrong book, so I'm gonna have to start all over.
Okay. All right, let's move on. Gabe, I'll send the notes to you. I'll send it to your
I'll send it to your
mother.
mother.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
One thing, my mommy coming in the boat. My mommy right now, and I saw, but she coming undressed right now.
Okay,
She
okay.
in house.
Okay. Let me put it inside the chat and see if you could see it. Let me try that since your mother's not home. DeAndre, are you there? There's DeAndre. I can't hear from DeAndre. All right. Let's do this. So let's do the questions on that one now. Okay, so let's go.
Are we going to do some on our own now?
Yes. Hello, DeAndre. DeAndre, are you there? Did you see the screen? Do you see the screen? Can you explain how we got 11 and 19 over 20? Can you explain how we got 11 and 19 over 20? What's the first thing that we do? No, 11 and 19 over 20. You know how we got that? Or you need me to explain it again? Okay, so can you hear me on the can you hear me on the Zoom? Okay, I'm gonna explain it again. So pay attention this time, okay? Okay. Where's Ariana?
Excuse me.
Yes, Ariana.
Get off.
Oh, never mind. I'm here.
Okay, great.
I can see you.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Okay.
All right. Write this down for me, please, Ariana. And I'm gonna explain this again for DeAndre because he didn't understand it. All right, and what his name is? DeAndre. This is how you do it. What we do is the first thing that we do is we add the 4 and the 7. So we add the whole numbers. 4 plus 7, right? 4 plus 7 is going to be 11, right? And the next thing after we already add the whole numbers, then we're going to add the fractions, okay? The fraction is 1 over 5 plus 3 over 4. But notice that they have different denominators, okay? Since they have different denominators, what that means is that you have to find the lowest common multiple of the numbers. So we have 5 over 4. We have 5 and 4. They are different denominators. We must find the LCM. If we find the LCM, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. And then we have 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Clearly, 20 is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4. And so what that means is that the lowest common multiple is 20. So we need to figure out how to make 20 the denominator. So we say, okay, what times 5 gives us 20? Well, 5 times 4 gives us 20. And we say, okay, whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So 1 times 4 is 4. Same here, we ask ourselves, what times 4 gives us 20? And we know that 4 times 5 gives us 20. So 4 times 5 is 20. And 3 times 5 is going to be 15. So 15 plus 5 is definitely 19. So it's going to be 19 over 20. All right. And so that's how it is, 19 over 20. So DeAndre, can you explain this for me? Okay, sorry, let me call him so I could have. Ariana, you finished?
No, sir. I'm on examples.
Okay. Hello, DeAndre? Okay, can you explain how we got 11 and 19 over 20, please?
Four plus 7 is 11.
Yeah.
1 over 5 plus 3 over 4.
Uh-huh.
Now we gotta find the LCM.
Uh-huh.
of 5 of 4.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
5 times 1 is 5.
No.
Five
How do we
times-
find the LCM? What do we do? We first have to list the multiples, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are the multiples of 5?
Multiples of 5.
Isn't it 5?
5 and 3 is 5 times 4 is 20.
Uh-huh. What are the multiples of 4?
4 times 4 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 6. I mean
16.
16.
Uh-huh.
4 times 7 is 20.
4 times 5 is 1.
And 4 times 5.
Good. So the LCM is what?
20.
Very good. Now, after that, we have to figure out what times 5 gives us 20. And what times 5 is 20. Very good. And whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So 1 times 4 is what?
Times 4 is 4.
Very good. And what times 4 is 20? Very good. So we multiply 4 times 5 to give us 20. And 3 times 5 is what?
Yeah.
Very good. So how do we add this now?
4 plus 15.
What is 4 plus 15? Very good. So the answer is 19 over. Very good. All right, so let's do another one. So another example before we go into the graded exercise. Ariana, are you finished with this?
No, sir, I'm almost finished.
Okay, how about you, Tedronique?
I'm finished. I'm sending you the notes.
Okay. Okay, great. Tedronique, why you missed class today?
I woke up late and
Oh,
I
you
went
woke up
out.
late? You woke
Yes,
up
sir.
late? Missed class, man. We had a good class today.
And I went out to get fishing rods so we could go fishing.
Okay. Are you coming on Thursday?
I'm finished.
I don't know. I have to ask my dad.
Okay, no problem.
Well, my mom said I can miss class, but I can't miss Zoom.
Okay, you can't miss Zoom. That's correct.
Excuse
Okay.
me.
Yes, Ariana.
I'm finished.
Okay, great. So let's move on to the next example. This one I want you to do by yourself. Example number 2. So I want you to try to do this one on your own, by yourself. Everyone, DeAndre, Ariana, try this one on yourself, by yourself, and tell me what you get. Once you finish, get your answer, then I want you to put it inside the chat. So there's number 2. Let's say we get 5 and 2 over 4 plus.
Excuse me, when we're doing subtraction, isn't it the same thing, but we're just subtracting?
Yeah, that's correct.
Excuse me.
Diana, put those face, knock it off, please.
Excuse me.
Yes, go ahead.
Could I log on? Could I, sorry, could I come back? Could I log off and come back in?
Yes, you can.
Because
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. All right. Try this on your own, please. Everyone try this on your own. Candasia, try this on your own. Diana, try it on your own. Tedrony, try it on your own. Gabe, try it on your own as well. Then once you finish, then put your answer inside the chat. Yes, Gabe.
I
Say it again.
Again?
We can't see the board. Okay, I'll put the question in the chat as well.
Okay, I'll put the question in the chat.
All right, good.
right now the board back on right now.
All right. So try that. I put the question inside the chat, Gabe. Try that for me as well.
I put my answer in the chat.
Okay.
Wait, how do we write it in the chat again?
Okay, in the chat, it's gonna be a mixed number. So you're gonna have to, let's say you get 5 and 2 over 20, something like that.
Oh, okay.
Diana, let me see your work. Can you take a picture of your work and let me see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do not put the slash twice, just one slash.
I'm typing my answer in the chat.
I put my answer in the chat.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ariana. Ariana, turn on the camera, please. DeAndre, are you finished?
Oh, sorry.
Javon, are you finished?
I send it.
Okay.
Okay.
Candasia, are you finished?
Not yet.
Okay,
Did you see it in the chat?
I saw it.
Do you see my answers in the chat
Yes, I see it.
and on WhatsApp?
No, I want to know what's your answer?
Oh, me?
How about the whole number, DeAndre? Uh-huh. Remember, you can't just have the fraction, you have to add the whole numbers too. So what is it now when you add the whole number? You have to add them, okay? All right. Tetranique,
Yes, sir.
let's add, what's the first thing that we're gonna do?
Okay, first we're gonna do 5 plus 2.
Very good.
That equals 7.
Very good. 5 plus 2 equals 2. So 5 plus 2 is what? 7, right? So why in your answer you put 2?
That was, oh yeah, I forgot to put in the 7. That was number 2 I put.
Oh, okay. Now,
Sorry.
what else we do? Ariana, what else what do we do?
After that, we find the LCM of 4 and 5.
Very good. So we know we'll be adding 2 and 4. And so, and 1 over 5. And so we must find the,
LCM of 4 and 5.
very good. We must find the LCM of 4 and 5. How can we do this?
We're going to put the timetables of 4 and the times tables of 5.
Very good. Diana, what is the multiples of 5?
5, 10, 15, 20.
Very good. Candeja? Candeja, where's Candeja?
Yes, I'm here.
What are the multiples of 5?
5, 10, 15, 20.
Okay, good. And not Dion, Javon, what are the multiples of 4?
The LCM of 4, right?
Multiples of 4, yes.
Okay, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
4, 8,
Tuesday.
4, 8, 12, 16, and?
16, 20.
Okay, good. Yes, Ariana?
Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so what's the lowest common multiple, Candeja, of 4 and 5?
20.
20, very good. The lowest common multiple is 20. So the LCM equals to 20. So it's going to be equal to, Tetranique, what do we do? Tetranique, what do we do?
Sorry, my mic wasn't working for a sec.
One moment,
Okay, so-
Javon, wait, Javon. Why can't I see you? I need you to put the camera down. I can't see, I only can see the wall. I can't see you. Javon, put it there. Yeah, much better. Okay, go ahead, Tetranique. What do we do at this point? Tetronic. Tetronic.
Sorry, I muted my mic. I thought I didn't have it muted. Okay, so we're going to put 2 times 5 over 4 times 5.
Very good. And what else?
And now we're going to do 1 times 4 and 5 times 4.
Very good. Okay,
Now we're
so
going to add them together, and your answer should be 7 over 20
why you say
plus.
7? What is 2 times 5?
Oh, sorry.
What is 2 times 5?
2
What is,
times 5 is 10.
thank you.
And so your answer,
And 4 times 5 is what?
that's 20.
Very good.
Oh, sorry, the answer should be
What is 1 times 4?
4.
Uh-huh.
So the answer should be like 14 over 20.
Very good. So it's going to be equal to 14 over 20.
Yes, sir.
So Javon, what do we do at this point?
So what we do is we say we add it up and then no, what we do, oh sorry. So we say 7 is the whole number, and then 14 over 20.
Very good. It's going to be 7 and what? 14 over?
20.
Very good. Very good. All right, Deanna, explain how we got 7 and 14 over 20, please.
So how we got 7 out of 14 is first, we looked at the fraction and there was unlike denominators, but first we have to add the two whole numbers, which 5 plus 2 is 7. So we leave the 7 for now because we're not ready to use it. And then we look for the low, and then we go to the denominator and we look for the lowest common factor of 4 and 5, which is 20. So we put the same fraction down and we say what times 2 could give us 20. I mean, what times 4 could give us 20, which is 5. And then we say what time, and then we have to put the same number that we multiply the 4 with to the 2. So we put 5 times 2 is 10 as our numerator. And we say 4 times 5 is 20. And then we say what times 5 could give us 20, which is 4. So we say 5 times 4 is 20, and we make sure our denominators are the same. And then we say 4 times 1 equals 4. So we put the 4 down, and now we could add. And we say 4 plus 10 is 14. So the 14 as the numerator, and then we do not add the denominator or subtract it. So we just put the 20 down, and now we could bring the whole number what we added, and we put the 7 down, and the answer is 7 whole numbers, 14 over 20.
All right, very good. So the answer is 7 and 14 over 20. Okay, good stuff. Okay, so let's move on to the next example. Let's move on to graded exercise.
Excuse me, when we're doing the creative exercise, do you want us to put our working?
Yes, show all working. Always show all working at all times.
I thought this was the graded exercise.
That's just example. It clearly says example on top. I don't give you one graded exercise.
Can I write my grade? Can I write it on the next page, please?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm sorry, it shouldn't say fractions, it should say mixed numbers.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Can I log out and come back in because my computer is freaking out.
Sure, no problem. One moment, let me take a picture of this for Gabe.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Number two, the denominators are the same. So do we just like add the whole thing?
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Number 1 and 2, I'm sorry. It's supposed to be different denominators. Thank you. It's supposed to be 4 and 5.
Excuse me, may I go and get my eraser?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can, Diana.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Can I put in my answer one at a time, or I have to put it up at the same time when I'm done?
Yeah, put it at the same time when you're done.
Okay.
excuse me.
Go ahead.
Is number 5 the same denominator?
Number 5.
I mean, not number 5, number 1. Like, number 1 it has the same denominator.
No, you have to log out and come back in because I changed that.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah. Use number 1 has the same denominator as number 2.
Oh yeah, that's fine. But they're not, one is 4 and 5. All of them is 4 and 5. So all of them are 4 and 5. So that's the 5.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
How come you only stopped at number 2?
What? You need to log in and come back out. I'm on number 7.
I don't see them. Okay, I'll log in.
Yeah. Can Deja take it out the desk, please?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Are we stopping at number 8?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Missing child Marcos alert missing child. This is a Marcos alert missing child. Stephanie Mackey for
Excuse me, I got a Marcos alert about a missing child.
What number you on, Diana?
I am on number 4.
Okay, good. Focus on that.
Excuse me.
Yes, go ahead.
What do we do when we're done?
Put
I'm
your
just
answers in
asking.
the chat. Put your answers in the chat.
Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
All right. Anyone finish?
Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm
Ariana.
going on number 4.
Okay. Yes, Ariana.
I was gonna ask you if we're supposed to send them one by one.
No. When you finish, send them all.
Okay. You want me to take a picture of my work and put it in the chat?
Yes, you finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Send picture of your work and, and put it in the chat for me, please.
I send it.
All right, no problem.
Now I'm on number 6.
Okay, good.
My answer is in the chat.
Your answers are in the chat? Okay.
I'm done. I'm gonna send you my answers.
After we send it in the chat and we're done, what do we do?
Can you wait? Deanna, can you wait?
Yes,
All right, thank you. All right, so let's complete number 1. Number 1. What's your answer, DeAndre?
(13/20).
13 over 20.
Yes, sir.
So you add 13 over 20. How you get 13 over 20? You get 13 for your whole number. What you get for your fraction? DeAndre, what you get for your fraction?
20.
No. You missed out something. When you do your fraction, right? You have 1 over 4 plus 2 over 5. You multiply the 4 by what? By 5. Multiply the 1 by what? By 5, right? Multiply the 2 by 4 and multiply the 5 by 4. 1 times 5 is what? DeAndre. 1 times 5 is 4. 2 times 4 is what? 8 over 20. What is 8? What is 8 plus 5? What is 8 plus 5? Hello, what is 8 plus 5?
13.
13. So it's gonna be 13 and 13 over 20. Anyone else got that? Who got that?
Me.
Okay. Very good, Candasia. Ariana, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. DeAndre, did you get it? DeAndre, did you get it? Pardon? Okay, all right. DeAndre, did you get it? Ariana, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about you, Deanna? Deanna, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Ariana, what you got for number 2?
For number 2, I got 8 and 14 over 20.
8, because 5 over 5 plus 3 is 8. And what you got for the fraction?
14 over 20.
14 over 20?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did anyone else get 14, 8 and 14 over 20? Anyone else got that? Javon, what you got for number 2?
I got 8 and 10 over 20.
10 over 20? How you get 10 over 20?
So I get 14 over 20.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
DeAndre,
Yes, sir.
what you got for number 2?
8 over 20.
How you get 8 over 20? What happened to this number on top, the fraction? And the whole number? What's happening to that? Why you not, give me one moment, please. I'm talking to DeAndre. DeAndre, what happened to the 8? What happened to the whole number? What happened to this? How you getting 8 over 20? So DeAndre, you have to do it again, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead. Someone is asking a question. Go ahead, Ariana.
I forgot what I was gonna ask you.
Okay. All right. We have the end class now, but what I want you to do is I want everyone to send me a picture of their work so I can see if they got these, if you got the rest of them right. So take a picture of your work and send it to me, please, via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And so we have class on tomorrow, okay? But take a picture of your work. Can Deja, Diana, and Ariana, and also Tejani, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, please, so I could see if you got it right.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me.
Go ahead, Ariana.
I was gonna tell you that I wasn't finished answering the questions.
What number you on?
Number
Number what?
Number 6.
Okay, just send me what you have then.
Okay.
All right.
When I'm finished, am I supposed to send you the rest of the answers?
Yes.
Okay.
Goodbye.
All right, no problem.
Bye, little.
All right, take care.
Bye.